Alright, today we're going to be using the caliper to find the caliber of a bullet. You find the caliber of a bullet by determining the diameter of the bullet using the caliper. We won't actually be using a bullet in this lab, however, because you will be doing it yourself. We will be using a pencil as our example. So you're going to put it in to the caliper and you're going to close the gaps. And make sure not to measure with the space because that will disrupt your measurements. That space right there. Alright, and once you have that in, you're going to go and you're going to look for the 0 marking right there. And as you can see, it doesn't quite line up with the 7 spot. So you're going to know it's 6 point something using the top. So now you're going to be looking around the bottom of the caliper to find the next point. And this is by a 0.1 scale, so that's how you're going to be able to count up to it. So this line lines up with about the 6, maybe 7 mark. We're going to go with the 6 because that's the first one that lines up perfectly. So it's going to be a 6.6 caliber or 6.6 millimeter for the pencil's case. Now we're going to be using a glue cap for our second example. And once again, you're just going to open your caliper and put the glue cap in. And now we're going to go and find our first number on the top row. And this one, you can see it's just shy of 20, which means your first number is going to be 19. Now you're going to go down to the bottom row, and this one is lining up perfectly with the 0.5 mark. So that means we're going to count up, and it's 19.5 will be the diameter of the glue cap.